how to find safe sign-in info on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find safe sign-in info settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and now click this settings here and scroll down until you find this one, personal browsing data. Click on it and then click usernames and passwords, and here you will find it, safe sign in. Here you can manage it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.